Hello everyone, this is Eric. Welcome to Alteryx at Lion. Today we are going to have a look at Alteryx Weekly Challenge number 218, Car Sales Reporting. Let's start with the challenge background. Let's jump directly onto the input file. Let me run this workflow now. Okay, so the input file is we have been given the location of buyers, what type of vehicle, and then the sales price for each individual vehicle. We want to turn those information into a color-coded map with each individual dot representing one car sales. And then there's a table at the bottom of the map and the legend. Okay, so what we can do now is in the reporting palette, let's use a report map. Okay, so in the configuration report map, let's change the reference base map to Alteryx Lite. And then in data, incoming connection number 1, let's change the spatial field to buyer's location, and the thematic, let's change this to type of vehicle. Okay, and let's run this now. And let's add and let's add a browse tool after our map. Let me run this again. Okay, so in the reporting tab, you can see we've pretty much got the map, but the dots are in diamond shape. So well, here we have colors and circle. So let's go back to the reporting map and let's go layers. Let's add a layer, points layer number 1, and let's expand this in style, point style. Let's use circle. In theme, let's use unique value and change this color method from ramp to map. And then let's run this. Okay, now we have the color and the shape of the car sales. Okay, and then let's have a look at the table. The table is with average sales price, vehicle sold, and type of vehicle, and the amounts and the count. Okay, so let me use summarize tool. Let me run this. So what we want to do is we want to summarize buyers group by type of vehicle, group count, and average sales. So let's connect as really I leave it. Okay, so right, summary tool, connect. Okay, so we want to group buyer's location, type of vehicle, group by, and then we do count, and then we do average. Sales price average, type of vehicle, count, type of vehicle, group by. Okay, and let's run this. Okay, and then let me use a formula tool. The formula tool is to create a new column called average sales price, and the average, let's use toString. X is average sales price, numeric is 2 decimal points, and then if we type 1 here, you can see there's a 1000 separator has been added. Yep, let's run this. Okay, then let me use a transpose tool. So we want to transpose, the key column is the, let me see, type of vehicle. Let's leave this. So data column is the count and average sales price. Let's run this. Yep, and then let's use a cross tab. So we still group type of vehicle, and the column header is name, and then the value is value. As you can concatenate, it doesn't really matter. Okay, name, type, and value. It should be name, type, and value. Okay, so now this table looks about the same with this one. One thing is I need to concatenate a $sign to the amount. Yeah, and then in the reporting, let's use a table. Let's leave the default config, and you can see the table now. Let's add a browse tool, run. In the reporting, it should look the Oh, sorry, I used the wrong one. I should use table and run this. And in the reporting view, it should give me a similar table. Okay, now I should use a union tool. So to union this one and the table. Yep, and then I'll use a layout and add a browse tool. So let me run this. So by doing those three tools, we are combining the map with the table and put it into a layout. So I think here I need to change the layer. Number one, style, point, circle, theme, unique, map, and run. Okay, so now this looks about the same as what we need to do. So the color coded on map, table, and the legend. So let's have a look at, so this is the desired and expected output. So this is the end of this session. The key lesson we've learned here is sometimes we need to use a transpose and crosstab tool to put the data into the arrangement that we want them to be presented in the table, and we can union map with a table and put it into a layout for reporting purpose. So at Lion, when we are given the like a store sales information, then we can color code each individual store or states into different color, and we can report on the sales of each individual bottle shop or the sales of milk. This is the end of session. Thank you very much.